Hello, my name is Hadrian Parker, and I am a Senior Analytic Training Consultant with Analysis Prime University. In this tutorial, I will create a menu bar that can be toggled open or closed. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to configure panels to ignore static elements, use the getOut function to get positional information about an element, and use the onClick event to open and close a menu. This application has a menu for different pop-ups related to the main chart. The end user would prefer it if this was hidden so the main report can use more of the canvas. First, we can hide all the menu options by making the menu panel smaller so just the menu label is showing. As the elements in the panel take up more space than is displayed, a scroll bar will appear. We can remove these in the styling panel. Scroll to the bottom and under Style panel, we can turn off the horizontal and vertical scroll. Next, we need to set the menu panel to be on top of the chart. In the Styling panel, under Actions, select the order Bring to Front. Now we can scale the chart to use all the space. Let's put the menu panel in a good position. We can now record the height of the menu bar when it is closed and open. Set the menu bar back to the closed height. We can use the menu label as a button to trigger the Open-Close function. Select the menu label and open the Edit Script option. The onClick function selection will be displayed. To make the code easier to edit in the future, set the minimum and maximum heights as variables. All canvas elements have a function called getLayout. This returns a layout object for that element. This contains functions to get and set positional properties. We can store the current menu height as another variable. We can use an if-else statement to increase the height of the menu bar to the max value or reduce it to the min value. Now when we run the application, we can toggle the menu value, open or closed. To recap, you should now be able to configure panels to ignore static elements, use the getOut function to get the positional information about your element, and use an onClick event to open and close the menu. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button below. You can also view our growing catalogue of self-paced courses, tutorials, webinars, and join the community forum by creating your free account at analysisprime.com.